Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hello, today we will be continuing our discussion of discrete versus continuous variables. And we will start out by reviewing the definition of discrete and continuous variables and comparing the two types of random variables. And then we'll look at our example for today and determine if it is discrete data collection or continuous data collection. So to start with, we will look at that discrete variables have countable sets of distinct values, whereas continuous variables can be any value within some interval, as well as discrete variables being data that is counted, whereas continuous data is measured, which leads to in continuous data we can have fractions or decimals. It's just whatever the value is that we are measuring, whereas discrete variables are always integers. They can never be fractions or decimals because it's just not how you would count the things you're looking at. And so far we've done two examples, which both were determined to be discrete variables. So let's see what our example for today is. Today we'll be looking at temperature of water in a lake. Now, temperatures, those are measured. It doesn't really matter what you're using to measure them, but we know that that is how you determine the temperature of anything, even in the water of a lake. You know that whether it's Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin, or Rankine, whatever you're using to measure that temperature, you know it can fall in fractions or decimals of degrees. So, based on that, this example for today falls under continuous variables.